The next to interpolate is Congressman Ernix Junicio. You have 10 minutes.
He's lying when he said that he does not know Laila de Lima. Hearing po namin yung CHR inquiry sa Davao on the DDS killings, siya po, as then mayor, ang pinakauna na tinawag namin as resource person. Napakaraming mga okasyon, mga public pronouncements niya. Ako ay binabastos niya. Kung ano-ano yung mga sinasabi niya sa akin, binabantaan din ako. You will rot in jail, Laila de Lima. So hindi niya ako kilala. He is lying. Maraming salamat.
Senator...
Iba na kasi ang hirdo niya kasi hindi mo kilala.
Mr. President, may I remind you that please refrain from talking unless you are recognized by the
Yes, I
chair.
was just making a statement.
Yeah,
Hindi ko na nakilala, iba ng hirdo niya eh.
I'm just reminding the
Pati yung kulay ng
resource
buhok.
person. So, the next to interpolate